Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's me. I'm back again. It's AM. I'm back. We just want to see what we have on nas100. Like, share, subscribe, comment, say something, guys. Support me so that we can be able to move. So, without any further ado, let's check nas100 now. Let's start on a weekly time frame. We just want to spot the direction of the market structure. As usual, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we are going to bring the higher high. Oh, this is good. NAS 100, you are so beautiful. Now we just want to check our current high, and this is our current low. As long as we are playing in these two lines, I believe that we know that we are going to buy. Why? Because the overall trend of the market, it's a buy. So now, since we have spotted our current high and our current low, now let's go to the daily time frame. Now we just want to spot where the market is touched and reversed so that we can be able to spot an entry. Now, what I'm talking about, this is the zones: touch, reverse, break, touch, reverse. I'm talking about something like this. So again, now I'm going to check here. There is this zone here. You see, there is a touch here, there is a reverse, a break, touch, a reverse. It's a good zone. Let me go straight to 4 hour time frame so that we can be able to spot these zones quickly and fast. I don't want to make my chart messy now. I can just also spot here: break, touch, reverse. You see, touch it, reverse. You see, break, touch it, almost reverse. So this is a strong zone or a valid zone. And so if we are here now, what do we see here? Let me go to 2 hour time frame. On a 2 hour time frame, I think I just want to spot now a trend line, but on a H2, I don't see it. Let's check here on a H1. Okay, perfect. I use the pigs, as you can see, to spot my trend line. So now I can just use this thing to spot my first touch, and this is the second touch. What does this tell us? Third touch, we enter. Yeah, we are going to enter here. Why? Because anything that you can see here, guys, look what's happening here. This is break, touch, break, touch. Now we want to break, touch, and then we continue. This is what I'm seeing for now. And then what can we do, or what can we see, or what can we look now? We want to see where we can spot a good entry. Now, since we are here, let me go straight to 30 minutes time frame. Let me just fix here, and also as well as these. And then now I can just put my sessions on break. What is the reason of these sessions on a break? The reason of this is for me to spot Friday here, Thursday, Wednesday. I want to spot the high and the low during the time of New York, which is called the bank zone. Here, we can use this indicator called the sessions on chart, and then we set, we disconnect the London and Tokyo. We leave only New York because we want to trade only on New York session. Anything before New York, we can call it a sniper. So as you can see, from here, 3 o'clock until late, it is New York. So any high we found in between these gray line, it is a bank zone. What am I talking about? I'm talking about something like this. You see right here, this is a bank zone. This is a bank zone. Why? Because it is the high that was created uh, during this time. In fact, this one, it is a higher high, but I want the higher high, which is this one. This one is the last high of the New York, and then this is the last low of the New York. That's what we want. In that case, now on 15 minutes time frame, let's see what we have. You see, on 15 minutes time frame, this is so beautiful, guys. This is beautiful, so that we can just spot like something like that. And look at here. Here we are waiting for 4:30 to take our trade. Remember? So if you can check, this one candlestick, this one, it is a 4:30 candlestick. I'm sorry, this one, and it rejected. The moment it rejected, people they fall and then they enter without confirmation because they use rejection as a confirmation that you know what, now we are going down. But look what happened. After the rejection, just to wait for the next candlestick to show you whether you can sell or buy. Look at here. The moment it rejects, it keeps on pushing and pushing. After when it push, what are you waiting for? You expect the reversal or the retest that can happen from here. Look at here. Now you just enter your trade from here to here. And then you just put your stop loss at least below somewhere here. Look at this move. This is a beautiful move, guys. A beautiful one. You see? Even on, let's go straight now on what you call on which date was this? Was Thursday. Because we are on Thursday, right? Now, what can we do? We can go straight to 30 minutes so that we can be able to Spotify our bank zone very quick. Now, because this is Thursday, it means we are going to check the bank zone of Wednesday. Here, do we have a bank zone here? Yes. Where is it? Is this one? Where is it? Is this one? This one here. This one. There is a bank zone here. Let me just do it like this. You see? Here there is a bit. Why am I just want to also look into the history. When I check the history, it tells me that these matches exactly with other bank zone. Look at here. Touch, it's a bank zone. Touch, take out the sellers, the buyers, the sellers, I mean, and then it bought, it sell. Look at here. It came and touched it, it fell. It came and touched, meaning this bank zone is very valid. This was so beautiful. Look at what happened. Before the sessions open, look what happened. It breaks here, it plays around, it plays until the New York open on 3 o'clock, and then on 3:30, that is when now it breaks here. The moment it breaks here, you know very well that you know what, today there is no other option. We are buying just because it has already broken here. Look at here, it break and then it came and reversed. The moment it comes and reverse there, you don't have to wait. In fact, here it break and then retest at the same time. You just take your trade here. Sniper entry. Sniper entry before half past. Sniper entry before half past. And then you just put your stop loss at least here. Yes. See? If we can go to 15 minutes time, you see? It breaks and then it shows that you know what to do. Look at this beautiful trade. Just went up. So that is the power of the bank zone, guys. Look at on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we look the bank zone of Tuesday. Look what happened. It was just playing and playing and playing here. And then if it was playing here, look what happened here. During the time of news, guys, it just tapped here, 3 o'clock, and then it tells you that you know what, today we are selling. The moment it gives you this in this bank zone, you don't have to just to ask anybody. You sell. Look at what happened. It just shoot down. Just shoot down. After shooting down, you go again back to 30 minutes time frame because it was this news. Because we are in this day, we are looking into this bank zone here. So if we are looking to this bank zone, we can just squeeze our chart to check the history. When we check the history, what do we have here? Look at here. Bank zone. When we look here, we look, this is a bank zone. And mind you, we are trading here on Wednesday because now we are checking this bank zone. We are checking also the history that it matches the other bank zone. Yes, here. And also this one. So it means we are waiting for the market to give us a confirmation in this bank zone. It came, it was 4:30. Now you wait. If it wants to sell, you wait. But there was no confirmation that you can sell here. Meaning the moment it breaks here, that's when now you take your trade right here until here. Here. Then you just put your stop loss at least somewhere here. Look what the moment it breaks here, now look at here. You can take your trade. You go up, you shoot with it. Even right here, look at here on Tuesday. You check the bank zone during the time of New York. Look at here, it's 4 o'clock. You don't enter. It pushes, half past. Now what do? You wait for the market to come onto this zone to break or to go down. But the best option it is to know the market structure. If you know that, you know what? No, we are on a bullish momentum. You can clearly tell that the moment it came and touch here, there is no other option because there was this bank zone that was coming from this side here. Look at here, it just went up. But because there was no confirmation, you were going to take a trade right here, knowing this one is going to for a range for a smaller time until the following day of news. Look, it just a replay play and then it drop. Same applies to here. What do? You change the bank zone. We have this bank zone and as well as this one here. What do? You wait for the market to come and give you the confirmation. Look at this confirmation here. What time was it? It was around 6. And then you enter your trade around 6. You drop with it and to the bank zone. Take a profit here. So guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe, say something so that I can be able to give you guys more videos and more and more and more. If you don't understand, guys, just hit me on the inbox. My number 071 4082 027, and then we can see what to do so that we can be able to make something on top of the table. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.